Click on the Start icon, type fonts in search bar and open the folder. Now open VS Code and rearrange the two windows adjacent to each other as shown. Under the available fonts, type the name of the font you installed. In case of this example, we search Cascadia Cove Nerd Font. Now in VS Code, click on the gear icon, Settings, select Settings option from the drop-down menu, search Font Family. Now under Font Family, type the name of your font enclosed in single quotations exactly as mentioned in the fonts window.